As soon as your oar goes in the water and you take that first stroke, all of it goes away. You have a perfectly clear mind, and no matter who you're competing against, you are completely locked in to the boat.
I think for a 13-year-old and from a parent outside looking in, what can this sport offer my son? Every piece that you would see in a valuable student athlete, we offer at this program. If we're developing the right person and they can thrive outside of prep, then to us, that's a win-win.
They have a great work ethic and they trust the coaching staff, and they're going to be surrounded by kids who believe in the culture and who have established that culture.
Everyone has the same goal and everyone wants to put in all the work so they can achieve that shared goal.
You drop your son off as a freshman when he's 13 or 14 years old as a boy, and in 4 years, which is going to happen very quickly, he will become a young man, a prep man of heart, man of competence, conscience, compassion, man who is strong. Our mission is to develop the minds, hearts, souls, and bodies of young men, and nobody does it better than St. Peter's Prep Crew.